When we take a step back and look at BYD, it's clear we're witnessing one of the most explosive growth stories in the auto industry's 100-year history. In 2020, BYD sold about 400,000 cars. Fast forward to today, and that number has skyrocketed to over 5 million vehicles annually. This seismic shift has blindsided the global automotive industry. Tesla, once seen as the untouchable titan of electric vehicles, has been overtaken by a company that, until recently, most people outside of China had barely heard of. BYD, long dismissed as a budget brand, is now outperforming and outmaneuvering every major automaker. It offers EVs that charge in just 5 minutes, hybrids that beat Toyotas in performance, and batteries so safe they defy the risk of fire. BYD is not just competing, it's changing the rules entirely. With Buffett's endorsement, BYD expanded aggressively into plug-in hybrids, fully electric vehicles, and commercial products like electric buses and trucks. In China, the largest EV market in the world, BYD became a household name, helping cities electrify their transportation at scale. While American automakers like Ford and GM lobbied against stricter EV regulations, BYD simply delivered practical, affordable electric solutions. Their strategy was simple but effective. Control the supply chain, and you control the future. This operational efficiency helped BYD achieve something remarkable in 2024. It surpassed Tesla in revenue, posting $97.7 billion compared to Tesla's $96 billion. But even more striking was its sales volume. In that same year, BYD sold over 4.27 million vehicles globally, a tenfold increase since 2020. What makes BYD's rise so threatening is its relentless pace of innovation. The company isn't waiting for market trends to guide its decisions, it's setting the trends. In 2024, BYD unveiled the Super E platform, a groundbreaking EV architecture that can deliver a 400-kilometer range with just 5 minutes of charging, thanks to its 1,000 kW charging capability. This technology addresses one of the most significant barriers to EV adoption: charging time. If a battery can be charged as quickly as a gas tank can be filled, the argument for sticking with internal combustion engines weakens significantly. BYD's platform, combined with its proprietary high-speed chargers, could eliminate range anxiety and redefine EV convenience, outpacing even Tesla's supercharger network, which tops at 250 kilowatts for most vehicles. Pricing is another area where BYD is rewriting the rules. In Asia and Europe, Tesla's claim to affordable premium EVs is being challenged by BYD's lineup, which includes models like the Dolphin and Seal. These vehicles offer comparable or superior range, features, and comfort at thousands of dollars less than Tesla's Model 3 and Model Y. In markets like Spain and Italy, where affordability is a key driver, BYD's pricing strategy is proving to be a game-changer. These aren't bare-bones vehicles, they're sleek, tech-laden, and efficient, appealing to cost-conscious consumers without sacrificing quality. Its own strategic missteps compound Tesla's challenges. The company has repeatedly promised a $25,000 vehicle but has yet to deliver, while delays have plagued its Cybertruck rollout. Critics argue that Tesla prioritizes spectacle over scale, a perception that contrasts sharply with BYD's methodical, results-driven approach. BYD isn't teasing concepts or making grandiose promises, it's filing production models, opening factories, and securing contracts. This consistency is winning over governments, fleets, and consumers, positioning BYD as a more reliable partner in the transition to electric mobility. The narrative that Tesla is untouchable, perpetuated by Elon Musk's cult of personality and the company's stock market hype, is beginning to fray. Industry insiders are now openly questioning Tesla's dominance, with one analyst telling Bloomberg Tesla's era of leading the pack is over. It's now a fight to avoid falling behind. The numbers back this up. Tesla's global market share is slipping, its revenue is lagging, and BYD delivers results quarter after quarter. While Tesla's stock remains buoyed by future expectations, BYD's focus on present-day execution reshapes the industry. At the core of BYD's dominance is a technological marvel that has redefined EV performance, safety, and cost: the Blade battery. This lithium iron phosphate, or LFP battery, developed entirely in-house, dismantles industry assumptions and gives BYD a competitive edge that rivals struggle to match. Unlike the nickel-manganese-cobalt, or NMC batteries, which most premium EVs use, LFP batteries are inherently safer, cheaper, and free of ethically problematic materials like cobalt. BYD's decision to bet on LFP chemistry while others chased higher energy density with NMC now looks like one of the smartest moves in automotive history. The Blade battery's innovation lies in its structure. Instead of traditional pouch or cylindrical cells, it uses elongated, ultra-thin cells laid side by side like blades, maximizing surface area and improving thermal management. This design eliminates the risk of overheating, a critical concern in EV battery technology. The Blade battery passed the industry's most grueling test, the nail penetration test, which simulates a puncture or crash impact with flying colors. While most batteries fail this test, often catching fire or exploding, the Blade battery remains stable with minimal temperature rise and no smoke or flames. This breakthrough in safety challenges competitors to rethink their approach to battery design. Beyond safety, the Blade battery offers significant cost and performance advantages. By optimizing the internal layout, BYD has overcome the traditional drawback of LFP batteries, lower energy density, achieving a high range without compromising stability. The result is a longer-lasting, safer battery that costs less to produce, powering everything from compact commuter cars to luxury sedans and commercial vehicles. Its versatility allows BYD to standardize its battery platform across its entire lineup, slashing manufacturing costs and simplifying design. In China and Europe, Tesla, recognizing the advantages of LFP chemistry, has begun incorporating LFP batteries into its standard range Model 3 and Model Y vehicles. However, Tesla relies on external suppliers like CATL, while BYD's in-house production gives it complete control over the battery, vehicle, and software integration. This vertical integration optimizes charging curves, power output, and energy efficiency, resulting in a seamless, high-performance system. The Blade battery also boasts exceptional longevity, retaining over 80% capacity after 3,000 charge-discharge cycles, compared to the 1,000 cycles typical of most EV batteries. This translates to lower maintenance costs and a longer vehicle lifespan for fleets and governments, making BYD's offerings irresistibly attractive. The Blade battery's impact extends beyond individual vehicles. Reducing reliance on costly and unstable raw materials lowers the barriers to electric vehicle adoption. Its fast charging capabilities and long lifespan address infrastructure challenges, while its affordability makes electric vehicles accessible to a broader market. Governments electrifying public transit systems benefit from the battery's safety and durability, while consumers enjoy lower ownership costs and peace of mind. The Blade battery isn't just a component, it's a self-contained ecosystem that accelerates the global shift to electric mobility. While BYD's electric vehicles have garnered much of the spotlight, its Super DM or dual-mode hybrid system is quietly revolutionizing the industry by offering a compelling alternative to traditional gasoline and fully electric cars. In a world where charging infrastructure remains uneven and consumer preferences vary, BYD's hybrids bridge the gap, delivering the benefits of electric driving with the flexibility of fuel. This strategic focus on hybrids is proving to be a masterstroke, challenging electric vehicle purists and legacy automakers. Unlike conventional hybrids, which rely heavily on internal combustion engines with battery assistance, BYD's Super DM system prioritizes electric power, using fuel only when necessary. This electric-first design delivers seamless torque, instant responsiveness, and exceptional fuel efficiency. The Song Plus DMI, one of BYD's flagship plug-in hybrid SUVs, achieves fuel consumption as low as 6 liters per 100 kilometers, an impressive feat for a mid-size SUV. Its industry-leading thermal efficiency of 43.04% surpasses even Toyota's best hybrid systems, extracting more usable power from every drop of fuel. BYD's hybrids are not a compromise but a strategic advantage. They appeal to consumers who want the clean, quiet experience of an EV, but need the reassurance of gasoline for extended trips or areas with limited charging infrastructure. In markets like Latin America, Southeast Asia, and rural parts of Europe and the US, where full electrification is still a distant goal, BYD's hybrids are meeting a massive demand. Models like the DMI and DMP series are not niche products. They are core components of BYD's global strategy, selling at scale and capturing market share from Tesla, Ford, and Volkswagen. For commercial and fleet operators, BYD's plug-in hybrids offer unmatched value. Taxi services, delivery companies, and municipal fleets benefit from low emissions in urban areas, and backup fuel range for longer routes. In China, entire city taxi fleets have transitioned to BYD hybrids driven by lower total ownership costs than gas-powered or fully electric alternatives. This trend is spreading globally, with governments and private operators increasingly turning to BYD for transportation. BYD's hybrid strategy is a direct challenge to Toyota, the longtime leader in hybrid technology. For decades, Toyota's Prius and other models set the standard for reliability and fuel economy.